Alright guys, it's Wednesday. The week's going pretty quick. We did have a problem yesterday. I'm just gonna, address this here. I know most of the people that go to my webinar watch the videos. So I just want to address a problem that we had yesterday with the webinar. I was kind of lost at the time because, it wasn't, everyone was like, oh, we need a password, we need a password. I was like, what password is that? But what happened basically was a technical issue towards the Zoom. So, but basically when you guys register, you get the link, right? And then this link gets access to the Zoom Live. But instead, I think they sent out a link that has a passcode and not a normal link. So then I had to take it off the passcode so then you guys could get it in. But that was all, and it won't happen again next Tuesday, so that's it, all right? So fix it, no problems at all at the next time. Let's not make a big deal of it, all right? Next, what we have today, we have German CPI. That's all we're gonna have for today calendar. I actually gonna look at twice because that's actually all we get, all right? We do have retail sales on Europe, but it's not that strong, and this is all we got. At 6 o'clock in Australia time, we did had in the morning Atlanta Fed GDP. Now it was 2.1, the expected was 1.2, so higher than expected, but it's not the official GDP as well. So the only thing we're gonna have is the German CPI month over month. So the previous was at 0.3, okay, and now they're expecting 0 month over month, 0, okay, no growth, no high inflations. They're expecting lower inflation from the previous month. And the German CPI year over year, October, is expected to decrease around 1%, let's say, okay, 0.8. So basically, what does that show to us? Just so you guys know, Germany has a very big influence on Europe in general, okay? Is one of the biggest countries there, and it accounts, all right, for most of Europe in general. So if we think that, okay, it's just German, it's not Europe, it is German, it's the German, sorry. It's the German, so it's not only a little country, they have a big count towards the Euro movement, okay? So if we see this inflation coming at 0, I guess we may have a surprise because I'm expecting these to be lower, okay? Not negative, I don't think we'll come negative, but I think it will come. Yeah, it's hard to say 0. I don't think it will come 0. That's the thing, okay? Because we did have PMIs stronger than expected last week, if I'm not wrong. So we need to just watch out for this data today. If it comes higher than expected, then we may have a stronger euro, all right? US dollar, most of the people that I'm talking to now, they are switching the view to a bearish US dollar. But keep in mind, guys, there is a resilience on US, still resilience on US. I've talked about these on my webinar yesterday. So I'm still a bit bullish for US dollar. Not the word before, not the way I was before, but I'm still bullish on US dollar for end of this year, and let's say most likely for the first quarter of 2024, okay? In my opinion, Euro-dollar is still a short trade, okay? And I'm still shorting Euro-dollar. So that's a very short video for today. We don't have much to talk, and you guys know I only come here when we actually have something to talk. So the only thing I ask you is to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't, participate to the webinar last Tuesday, well, yesterday, we're gonna have one again on next Tuesday. So every Tuesday we have one. Very easy. You just go to the link on the description of this video and subscribe yourself. It's free. $0, no charge. All right, guys. Send this video to your friends. Maybe he or she, maybe someone from your family likes to, have a look on what's happening around the globe. That may be informative for them. Okay? I see you in the next video then.